We're on a grip project in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, off of Pasadena Street. The gas replacement infrastructure program is meant to enhance the safety and reliability of the natural gas distribution system for Entergy Louisiana. The current grip program focused on cast iron replacement, bare steel replacement, and outlay pipe material replacement. We recently received approval by the Louisiana Public Service Commission to continue the program for another 10 years. Right now, we're replacing a vintage pipe material called outlay with a newer generation state-of-the-art polyethylene. The newer pipe is installed by directionally drilling, so that minimizes the interruptions and number of excavation holes that we have on site. And along with the installation of the newer pipe material, we installed an excess flow valve so it minimizes the escape of gas if that line is ever severed. And so that also enhances the safety of the system in itself.